morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here a new wearable. Okay, so what we have here is a smart bracelet, the T4 Wearfit 2.0 smart bracelet or fitness tracker. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a simple packaging here, very affordable. So it features heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, multiple sport mode, message reminder, and sleep monitoring. So it is compatible with the Android and iOS with a support app Wearfit 2.0. So we're going to check on its specs as well as the design and the different menus available, different menus and functions available for the T4 Smart Band. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we have the time. Okay, so let's unbox this smart band. Okay, so we have here the wearable. Okay, so this one very sporty, and we have the user manual. Okay, do we have the okay, so we don't have the charging cable, so it means that we have a direct USB charging here. Okay, so we have the user manual. Let's check it out. Okay, compatible OS and requirements: Android 5.0 and above, iPhone 8.0 and above. We have Bluetooth 5.0, and we have a TFT display screen. Okay, so basic parameters we have here: 0.96 inch TFT, Bluetooth 4.0, 90 mAh battery. What else do we have here? Micro USB, also direct charging method, and we have the IP67. Okay, for the support app we have Wearfit 2.0, and as you can see here, we have heart rate, blood pressure, and SpO2 monitoring or blood oxygen monitoring. So let's take a look at the design here. What's this? So there's a weight to it. Let's check. So we have a sporty strap here with stainless steel or steel buckle. So we have a PC material, and as you can see, we have a touch button key. They have a direct USB charging. Okay, and we have the sensor here. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, for the display, I guess, let me check. 0.96 inches TFT. Okay, so as you can see, it supports touch button key, not touch screen. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, so what are the features here? Let's check. Let's go back first to the first display. What is the main page here? Okay, so we have dials, long press. That's it. We have body temperature monitoring also. Ambient, what else? We have steps monitoring. We have, okay, distance monitoring here. We have calories, blood pressure, long press. So here, okay, let's check. Then let's go back to blood pressure or the heart rate. Okay, it seems like the UI here is confusing. Okay, let's check. Again, let's go back. Does it automatically monitors or you have to activate it? Okay, so it automatically monitors the blood pressure. Let's see if we can get the results. Okay, so we do have the results. This is a blood pressure monitoring. It also monitors automatically. Okay, it's taking some time. So we have here, and we have the blood oxygen monitoring. What else? So what are the features? We have sleep monitoring. We also have a stopwatch here, SMS. Okay, so you can read the messages here directly. Just a preview of your messages. We have anti-lost, power off. We have dials and the background. Let's check. We have the background. Okay, so we have different backgrounds here. Long press to select. Okay, that's it. And that's it. So we have at least several functions here. I don't know if the temperature, so the temperature seems like it's working also. Okay, so basic sport function here. So it monitors your activity only. We don't have a dedicated sports function here, as you can see. Okay, but it has a health functions and notifications function for your SMS or social app. Okay, let's see if we can add more functionality to this device, the T4 Wearfit 2.0, if we connect it to the support app. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Again, we will try to install the support app for this one on our next video, so watch out for it. Okay, bye.